Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Correct Bet. This app is still surprising me guys. This app is wonderful. Seriously, this is a today game. As I search on this app and the app lists the game for me, so I pick number 1 and number 3. I pick them as over 1 and the thing is working perfectly. See what I ask this app. List today's high scoring football games and time. That's all. It will now list games that have high scores for the day, that at least maximum of over 2.5 is sure or more. But I normally use my normal 1.5 due to I'm using it as a rollover odd. So see the ones I pick. As you can see, here is the question I asked. So as you can see the question I asked. List today's high scoring football games and time. It lists them for me. So it lists, I choose this number 1. I choose number 3. As you can see it, this is what I choose for today. And you can see what he writes here. Today's football schedule includes some games with high scoring potential. As you can see, it's very simple. So now see the games here. Can you see the result here? So can you see the result? So result is here. I choose this number 1 and number 3. Here is the result. After it has finished playing, here is the result. Can you see it? Thing is working perfectly. This app is wonderful and it's good for rollover. Those doing rollover, it's working perfectly. Can use this to do your rollover. Thing is working perfectly. All you need to do is download the app, install it. You can use it on your Apple Store. You can download it there. You can download it on Play Store. So the app is working perfectly, especially those doing rollover. All you need to do is have data. Once you have data every day, just search anything you need on football, anything you want on football concerning goals. That's perfectly. It's working perfectly on goals. It can work perfectly on straight winning, draws, and also work for correct score. But what I use, very simple option I use, is over 1.5. And you guys knows on this channel, I always teach you guys about over 1.5. So I feel that over 1.5 is the easiest option. Especially those doing rollover. Like if you are doing 1 week rollover or 2 weeks rollover or 3 weeks or 1 month rollover. Especially those that can stake high, if you can stake maybe any amount. If you're staking high, those that are staking millions and those staking thousands, any amount you want to do for rollover, you can use this app to do it. Do you know that this app is perfect for rollover? Rollover means when you, for day 1, you stake with, for example, you stake with 1,000 or 10,000 or 500 for day 1. Then on day 2, you use your winning to stake the second one on the day 2. You use the winning you got on the first day to stake the second one on day 2. Then on the day 3, you use the same winning to stake on day 3. That is how you be increasing the amount you used to start. Before you know it, the fund will increase. You'll be surprised that 1,000, you can increase it to 100k or 1 million. It depends the duration of the rollover. So this app is just good. It's just good for rollover. That's all. This app is just good for rollover. All you need to do to ask the app to help you show you teams that can score high every day. Every day in the morning, just come ask the app. There's a place you put what you want. Then on your data. That's all. It will show you what you need. Then if you show you like 5 or 6 games, can you play all? But I normally choose only 2 games, either 2 or 3. That's what I always say. I always choose either 2 or 3 if you are doing rollover. Very simple. See the result here. All right, guys, this is correct bet. Don't forget to subscribe, share our videos, and like, comment, and also turn on the bell notification so that you will not miss my video anytime I post them. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Correct bet.